Alright, yan naman Carla, pag-uusapan natin, syempre patuloy pong ang pag-angat ng ekonomiya ng ating bansa at syempre ang iba't ibang sektor ay ginagawa ang kanilang makakaya para mas lalo pang umunlad at umangat. So isa na dyan ang technology. So alamin natin ano kaya itong technopreneurship. Makakasama natin this morning, let us all welcome our very special guest, Engineer Lino Diamante, President ng Midwest Technical Institute. Good morning. Welcome to Good Morning, Boss.
Good morning. Ako po ay founding chairman ng Midwest Technical Institute, the only school in the Philippines offering technopreneurship courses and technical courses to engineers and to the Filipinos.
Alright, Engineer, umpisahan natin. Siyempre, tayo, Carla, nung nag-aaral tayo, very, sa atin, ang mas common is yung entrepreneurship. Ano po bang difference ng entrepreneurship at ng technopreneurship?
Okay, paliwanag ko lang, ang entrepreneurship ay pagkakaiba sa business. Yung business kasing main objective is income, money. Whereas entrepreneurship ay mayroon tayong socio-economic contribution for nation building. So, ang technopreneurship naman is more powerful because as we define technopreneurship, it is a systemic approach, no? Or techniques in solving problem to give good economic result.
More of long-term.
And more value, yeah. It's a system.
Long-term
okay.
plan. Okay.
Alright. Siguro, Engineer, para mas lalo maintindihan ng ating mga manonood, paano nga po ba nakakatulong sa ating ekonomiya itong technopreneurship?
Actually, dito sa Pilipinas, ang nagda-drive ng business natin ay yung mga technopreneurs natin like Henry C. Yung technology nila, entrepreneurship nila is more on the molding. Si Senator Villar, ang technopreneurship niya is more of about real estate. I remember when during our convention in 2008 for the Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineer, where our visitor is Senator Villar, he said that in order for the Filipino to solve the problem of the economy and to elevate their life, we have to produce battalion of technopreneurship, meaning we have to produce that in our school because we have problem of cultural problem about business.
Alright. So, Engineer, alam naman natin na patuloy ang pag-angat ng ekonomiya ng ating bansa. Nasa na po ang Pilipinas ngayon when it comes to technopreneurship?
Actually, for the masses, technopreneurship is a generation problem. It's a cultural problem. But when it comes to multinational, which is the ASEAN integration, is all about. The ASEAN integration is all about technopreneurship because the three issues that all these ASEAN nation, the security problem, the social problem, and the economic problem. So we, as mechanical engineer, we are involved now in technopreneurship because
ano pong sample ng ginagawa natin sa ngayon?
Actually, napakarami ngayong na activities ang mga mechanical engineer because I am the chairman of Technopreneurship Committee for the Mechanical Engineer. I try to develop the technopreneurship of the mechanical engineers. We invite them to form a corporation.
Yes.
Then this corporation will attract the foreign investors to make this network of corporation. They will go here in the Philippines. They have to invest, appoint our group to be the distributor of their technology product. Sa mga maliliit na mga tao, I suggest because, as again, it's a cultural problem, it's a generation problem, nandun ang masses ngayon sa technopreneurship. We have to wait for the 2016. Yung 2016 is the K-12, wherein Tesla is in charge of the BOCTEC and also the technopreneurship. So, we offer our school, we offer salesmanship, skill in salesmanship, purchasing, management, and all these skills to as a foundation of technopreneurship for Filipino.
Siguro, Engineer, pag-usapan naman natin itong ang forum na magaganap at siguro invite our viewers, misalo po natin silang hikayatin about technopreneurship.
Oo, kasi alam mo, Carla, sila lang ang nagbibigay at nag-offer ng course na technopreneurship, itong Midwest Technical Institute, at magkakaroon kayo ng forum. So at this point, you want to invite our viewers or do you have any message for them?
Midwest Technical Institute started as a technopreneurship school and technical school. Then we go into partnership with Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers and other technical societies. Our latest event is the Technopreneurship Forum technical conference and product exhibit in Cebu. So this event will encourage, will motivate Filipinos, especially technical people, to see the total picture of technopreneurship. We have to develop the technopreneurial spirit, their skill, and also the mechanical engineer will develop also their technical competence. And all these suppliers that will part of the exhibit will be joining together with the technical people, mechanical engineers, and this technopreneurship will be the best.
So, kailan po itong forum na ito?
Ang forum na ito is a series because as I've said, yung problema ngayon ng mga Pilipino ay cultural and generation. We have to do it in a series to develop all these Filipinos. Series ang forum. Sa August 30 and 31 ay magkaroon tayo sa Crown Regency Hotel sa Cebu.
Okay.
Then on September, also 27, 28, we have Apollo True. Then on December 6 and 7 ay magkaroon din. Pero napakaganda dahil na-develop natin ang technopreneurial spirit ng Pilipino at saka mechanical engineer dahil may mga topics sa business, development in sales, purchasing, management, leadership, and also may mga technical conference tayo on power, energy, water, wastewater, plumbing, and environment.
Okay. Alright, thank you so much for joining us this morning. So yan po, para dun sa mga gusto pang matuto when it comes to technopreneurship, pumunta lamang sa kanilang forum sa Crown Regency sa May Cebu, starting August 30 and then 31 at series na po yan. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. That was Engineer Lino Diamante, ang chairman po ng Medwest Technical Institute.